Alright guys, gonna tear apart some stuff here in the apartment today. Got a couple of power strips, some other stuff. I'm still sick, as you can probably hear. And I did go to the storage unit this morning, but nothing went well, so there'll be no video of that. I was going to make a storage unit run. Storage unit, God, Jesus. Apparently things are still not going that good. I was going to make a scrapyard run. But as I was going to the scrapyard from the storage unit, I thought to myself, I don't really want to do this today. I don't feel like it. Just didn't, like I said, I'm still not feeling well. So I figured I'd come back here and tear apart some stuff and make a video of it. Alright. Oops. So naturally, you guys know about these. He's got nice chunks, brass chunks in them. I just got to separate them. Well, okay. So nice little chunks of brass right there. So, and thank you, Damon. So, probably have to clean the wire off on the end of that, which is no big deal. Then I'm going to see as well, because it appears this is copper wire, probably just leave that copper right on the end of these. But this wire looks strippable to me, so I'm going to be stripping it. Yeah, I worked a lot of overtime this past week, this past schedule. So I'm all tired out. Okay. So we got that one here to clip. Jesus whiz. Okay. Be a nice paycheck, but time becomes more valuable than money in some instances. Alright, so there we go. One down, I got one, a bigger one here. Tear this one apart. Yep, I should have never went. That's an old one. I mean, this is an old one. Yeah, I don't have any power tools right now, guys, because stupid me. Last time I took my power drill to the storage unit, I failed to bring it back to charge it up. And I only have the one battery, so everything's got to be done. All this has to be done by hand. Which I don't mind. Don't mind a bit. Alright. Apart you come. Let's see, I got them all, yes. Oh. Missed one. Look at all those jokers. That's some nice brass right there. Sweet. All right. These are a little unwieldy for this, but they work. See, I've been meaning to get a bunch of this stuff taken care of at the apartment anyways. Wife's getting ticked off. It's been sitting here for quite a bit. So, figured it's about time I got this taken care of. Oh, that cord can go down there. That's strippable wire too. Yeah, I don't know. Not sticking. Not sticking. But these, of course, oh, let's see about this. Yep, that's all brass. Come on. Any other ones laying around in there? Yep. There's one. Any others? Nope. All right. So these are gonna go in my little drawer here where I got copper to micro scrap. In fact, this stuff, I'll take this out right now. I got this going. That's where the wire from this is gonna go, is in there. So, and this can go to the brass up here. Just add it in there. Actually, I should be wearing these gloves to do that. Yeah, I don't know how good this video is going to turn out, guys, but I promise you this, it's going to be better than what I made earlier. So yeah, I can just take all this and bend it up, it don't matter. It's all brass anyways. There we go. Some more brass. So I have that. You guys remember this. All my plugs. Another source of brass. That back up there. Come on. And then I also have my bucket of garden hose ends. All clean brass. All of it. There's a couple of keys in there. I'd say between this and the plugs, I got probably 15 pounds. And that's not including the stuff at the storage unit that I have. The big brass. Now, this. Let's see. Use this little pocket knife. Get out the trusty sharpener, as seen on TV. Give it a quick sharpen. When you don't hear it scraping, then you know it's sharp. Alright. Doing this with the glove on. Now, watch this. Look how simple that is. Alright. This got junk all over it. There we go. Alright. Just get in there and start slicing on it. So there's different techniques for this. Come on. It's going to get easier when it's... So, I've seen people take the knife and go like this, but I think it's easier on the hands if you keep the knife stationary and just pull the cord underneath it, like so. It's like when you're carving wood. Yeah, this is time consuming, but it'll be well worth it once I get to the copper. Ah, come on. And it wouldn't hurt too if I had, this is kind of short, if I had a longer, oh come on, if I had a longer handle. Okay, let's see if I can work this out of there. When you're trying to do stuff like this. So let's see if I'm strong enough to get this out of here. Hey, come on. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, get one. I'll get the other ones here. They'll come out on their own. There we go. Okay, those 3 strands will be stripped. So I got this. I've got this from a place she used to work at for wire. That off there. Give this a twist. I haven't used this thing in a month of Sundays, but I don't want to give up that copper wire. So it was that one right there. Slide that in there. Get that poking out. See if this will work. Get enough of it. Yeah, it's going to tear the hell out of it, but it's going to get me the copper wire too. Check that out. So I don't really care if it's all tore up like this. Just take it apart over the bucket. If I lose a little bit, so what? Check that out. Hey, let's stick another little chunk of copper. So I can do the, all right, I'm gonna get this big chunk up. Do the same to the rest of this. Just slice off that end, like so. And then the last one. There we go. Get a little twist. Now I made this. I found this wood in the scrap, handle in the scrap, the screws I had, the blades I had to buy. But for a crappy wire stripper, works pretty good. I don't want to spend money on something I don't need when I can make something if I just use my head. So there we go. That's another reason why I twist this on the end, because it helps a little bit with this, with the fraying. Not much, but yeah, I'm gonna hear it. You're throwing copper away. Guys, I'm not. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. All right. I mean, I know if you're going to go through the process of doing this, why not make sure you're getting every bit of it? But I don't really, you don't make money doing this, really. So I'm not going to, anything that's a giant waste of time, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to get it out of there. And if I lose a little, I lose a little. It's all copper wire. There we go. All right. So let's take this big old boy apart. Yeah, you can tell this is old. Now, let's put this down. There we go. Paper, I don't care. I can vacuum it up. I don't give a rat's ass about that. You want out, baby? Want to go out? Okay, Papa let you out. Come on, baby. Come on. Come in. Come in, sweetie. Want to go out? Come on. There's my girlfriend, Cheyenne. Big long piece. Oh, there's the other one. You want out, Gus? Want out, Gussie? Come on, buddy. Come on. No. You go too. Go on. I'll show you why I pushed Gus out of the room. See this? See that? It's Gus. Gus likes to chew on electronics. Snip the ends off, so it's a little bit of prep work. Prep work I don't mind. For that kind of copper, I mean, look at it. Should be the same size as the other. Yep. Get her in there, get the pliers. There we go. We should have some fine wire right there. Yeah, I'm not mucking about with the little bit of strands there. Get what I can. Move on. Your junk. Nice little wad of copper. Now, if I'm going to take the time to, you know, like those garden hose ends and these plugs, stuff like that, if I'm going to take the time to tear that stuff down into its bare parts, of course I'm going to sit here and do this. I'd be stupid not to. I mean, it's not over the top copper, but it is copper. It's already there. It's free. I got a fairly decent, easy way to extract it. So, yeah, I'm going to take it. Why wouldn't I?